Here's a 2017 Toyota Highlander. Life is hectic enough. Make the journey smoother in this Highlander. It was built for families and made for fun. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.